Hi guys, tonight I will cook black tiger prawns from Vietnam on a garlic white wine sauce. To get started we have to heat up some olive oil. When the olive oil is hot enough, you put some nice garlic. So that the olive oil becomes garlic olive oil. After 1 minute you put the nice tiger prawns inside. And now you fry them 1 minute on each side. After 1 minute on each side, the tiger prawns changed their color to a nice orange. And now it's time to put some white wine. Alright. And now you have to reduce the temperature to medium. Now it's time to put some cayenne pepper, paprika and salt. Altogether the tiger shrimps, they need around 5 minutes. And now it's 4 minutes done, and we put some parsley. Some fresh lemon. So after 5 minutes the shrimps are ready. It's a very easy dish and everybody can cook, everybody can do it. So it's ready to serve now. Alright, the tiger prawns look like this. Now put some more fresh parsley and little bit lemon. Alright, let's see if it's tasty or not. These tiger prawns are extremely tasty. You have to work a little bit, you have to get rid of the shell. But it is easy, you will get faster and faster peeling them. And they are incredibly tasty. Just put the spices of your choice. And they don't need so much extra spices because they are special already. That's the last tiger prawn already. I can peel them in 15 seconds. But Thai people and Vietnamese people, they only need 5 seconds. These tiger prawns are absolutely fabulous. And remember what my Indian friend says. Do not overcook them. Remember, do not overcook them. And it's true. Cook the shrimps for 5 minutes. That's enough. And enjoy. Take care. All the best to you.